YouTube is your Asian Phenom back with another exciting food review. So it's summertime and it's pretty hot. So I'm reviewing this Dairy Queen's Choco Cherry Love Blizzard. One of their exciting 25 flavors that they offer. I believe they're going to come out with a new flavor every month. So this is a small size and I believe it costs around $2, I believe. So let's pop this open and see what this is about. So you guys probably don't know it, but my favorite is Ben and Jerry's Chunky Monkey. I love that. So hopefully it's similar to that, which it looks like it from the picture. Oh yeah, that's looking really lovely. A lot of love going on. You got that creamy vanilla mixed with those big chocolate chunks with that sweet real cherry flavor. Oh yeah, let's dig into this. It's about to get messy up in here. Mmm. Look at that. See all that chocolate? Man. Look at that. Big chunk of real cherry. With those dark chocolate. With that creamy vanilla mixture. Perfect combination for a hot summer day. Let's take another bite. Mmm. I'm loving it. Alright, so it's not overly sweet. Oops, excuse me. It's comparable to Ben and Jerry's Chunky Monkey, but still I wouldn't say it beats it. But then again, that has more ingredients in it, like walnuts and all that good stuff. So on a scale of 1 to 100, I would definitely give this a good 86%. Is right up there. Definitely check it out your local Dairy Queens. They have a lot of flavors to offer. This might be one of my favorite. That's going to be tied up there with Tropical Blizzard. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching. Stop by your local Dairy Queens. They got a lot of exciting stuff going on, like the Blizzard and the $5 buck lunch meal, which is a great deal. Check out my reviews on those. Hey, so until next time,